Muthiam mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto niatianirie mutaratara wa watho wa kigina wa mwaka uyu kumana na uregani munene uria utungitio watho uyu ni muingi wa bururi makiria mbeu njithi kumana na kihiri kia magoti mari urendekithia kuongererwo honge itiganite.
Having reflected on the continuing conversation around the content of the Finance Bill 2024 and listening keenly to the people of Kenya who have said loudly that they want nothing to do with this Finance Bill 2024, I concede, and therefore I will not sign the 2024 Finance Bill, and it shall subsequently be withdrawn, and I have agreed with these members that becomes our collective position.
ITUA riri ni kurumirira mirurungano minene iria ikoretwo igitabanio guothe bururi-ini ni mbeu njithi makienda watho uyu utianirio ri wothe handu-ini ha kugutabaniria mogaruruku uria thirikari irendaga, undu uria nginya uracungiriirie ikuo cia aingi ao muthenya wa ira hindi ya mirurungano riu president akiuga ni aiguite murugamo wao na akautia.
And the people have spoken. I am grateful to all the members of the National Assembly who voted yesterday affirmatively for the Finance Bill 2024 as amended on the floor of the House to incorporate the views generated through public participation. And following the passage of the bill, the country witnessed widespread expression of dissatisfaction with the bill as passed, regrettably resulting in the loss of life, destruction of property, and disintegration of constitutional institutions.
Na mugaro na murugamo mururu uria thirikari ikoretwo iyukitie wigie mbeu njithi aya makoretwo magitabania mirurungano ino, president nionekire kuororohia murugamo uyu umuthi akiranira kugia na giikaro na mbeu njithi aya niguo kwaraniria maundu matiganitie megie utongoria wa bururi, ubangi wa bajeti undu umwe na kunyabara mahuthiro ma thirikari.
I will be proposing an engagement with the young people of our nation, our sons and daughters, for us to listen to them. As I said on Sunday, listen to their views, listen to their proposals, their ideas, their concerns, and what they think we should do better as we go forward.
Iguru riu president ni endekithitie gutabanio gwa giikaro kia hamwe gatagati ka anyitite mikuma honge itiganite ta makanitha, ikundi cia kuhuranira ihoto cia umundu, ikundi cia ataramu a honge itiganite hamwe na ingi niguo kugia na murugamo umwe wigie utonga wa bururi na makiria ubangi wa bajeti ya bururi iguru ria kuriha mathiri.
That because we have gotten rid of the Finance Bill 2024, it is necessary for us to have a conversation as a nation going forward. How do we manage the affairs of the country together? How do we manage our debt situation together? How do we work on the budget with the deficits that now exist together?
Riu agwetererwo ni kuona kana speaker wa bunge Moses Wetangula ni aguthingiririo gwetia giikaro kia mwanya kia bunge ya bururi kurumirira itua ria president William Ruto kurega gwikira watho ucio kirore thutha wao kwambiriria rutha rwao kiroko kia umuthi na makiria mutaratara uria bunge akahuthira guteaniria watho uyu kuona ni urarikitie kuhituka ithoma ria gatatu.
Order number 10, Committee of the Whole House.
Girivotera Kameme TV, Jitagwo Muhura, Wagunya.